In this video, I will explain how to use the milotips jar giver in Second Life. Res out your tip jar on the ground, configure it as you like. It is advised to rename it so you will identify it easier in the next steps. Once you are satisfied, right-click and click on More and take copy, so you have a copy of your configured jar in your inventory. Open your inventory, click Recent Items to find your copy jar more easily. Keep the inventory window open, move it to the side if needed to free your view, then right-click and edit the jar giver, go to the Content tab of the giver. Drag the jar from your inventory into the giver content. The giver will be showing the jar name. If you are using a multi-servers configuration, make sure to set the giver channel to the correct value. Then you may click on Start. The giver is now functional.